For you, I hope you're all doing fine today. You can see here a nice background with a blue and white color. So for this canvas, we're going to draw a very nice painting. First, we are going to draw the heels here. So let's see what colors we're going to put for the heels, and just taking some little bit darker color for the heel region. And few hills we're going to draw. Some are in a darker shades and some are in the lighter shades. So another one is here. Okay, and some hills just partially visible because of the distance. Okay, so this is only the left side of the hills, and on the right side we're just going to put some white colors. And there's for the snowfalls on the top of the hills and doing the graphics. You can see these are the partially visible. Okay, so this is coming downward, very keen work. Let's again take the darker color and put it on the left side of the hills. So on the left side and on the bottom, that's the main purpose. Also doing the same thing for the middle hills. Also this one, taking a little bit more color. So hills looking good. Awesome. This is the line we're just drawing on the water lines, and some other reflections or some other hills which is at a far distance, you can see here. Okay, let's put more white color. Top of each mountain, so just putting the color first, then doing the details. Putting the color first, then drawing the details. Same thing happens here, putting the color first, then drawing the details. Okay, you can see the white colors here for the mountains. All right, so the mountains is done, and the next thing is that we are going to put a cloud here. And let's see, we're going to take some white color and just put it on the top like a round shape. So this is going to be the graphics of the clouds. Few rounds at the bottom. Some are darker and some are lighter in shades. So taking more white color and making the clouds more appealing and more nice. Okay, so these are all the whites in the clouds. So these types of cloud just floating on the sky, it doesn't bring the storms. Usually the black clouds, which is darker in color, those bring the storms. So after putting the colors, we're just putting some horizontal lines here in the dark shades to define it like a water. So you can see this is the rest of the white color here. I'm just working right now, and the graphics of the water is almost done. Okay, all right, and here just putting the rest of the colors. So all the colors is done. These are few reflections on the ground. Okay, And here we are going to draw a nice bridge. Let's see the bridge here. How can I draw it? This is going to be a straight line for the bridge. And the railings going to be on top. You can see the vertical lines which is just holding the railings. Okay, and these are the pillars on the two sides. You can see the curved line. Okay, try to make it a really nice curve and fill it up in the middle. Okay, putting the black color in the middle here. All right. Okay, so here the mountain lines, you're just putting the rest of the black colors here for the mountain lines on the water. So the scenery is getting in reality. Now we are going to connect the two sides just like a road network. So for that purpose we need some colors, and we need to add something like the soil color to both sides of the bridge. So we're putting it here like this one. So the road networks just getting visible. Also here you can see the other road networks. Okay, so road is coming from the two sides of the landscapes. Here just going to the top, and if you like to make it more realistic, just put some white color on the top on the road and try to mix it up within the roads graphics, taking more white color also for the left side and trying to mix it up within the graphics. Okay, so you can do something like this one. This looks like the the landscapes and the landscapes on the sides, so just looks like this one. Okay, and these are the some reflections on the mountains and the water. Then again we are going to take some white color and putting the color just to define it like a water. So just putting some longer strokes with the white color. You can see this is going to define the water. Scenery getting very nice and wonderful. All right, so very simple scenery: a mountain, a bridge, the sky with the clouds, and you can see the reflections on the water. So to make it more realistic, you can put a you put a boat here, so that easily you can say that this is going to be the water. So let's draw the boat, linear boat with a boatman here. uh-huh Pointy on both sides, and putting the reflections. Awesome. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. I hope you like the video. Have a good day.